freshman trotting colts lined up for race 2. Second leg, first division of the Kentucky Sire Stakes, the Rongate. And they're off. Nice start with several levers. Samburu left well from out of the center. Kabu is off stride. Kabu was on a break. Sorrento Hall also left alertly from the outside. Cut it close on the gas early. Groton Party off stride into that opening turn as they trot 3 wide midway around the turn, and it's Samburu and Trace Tetrick up to take control of Sorrento Hall, and the chance continue to sweep up on the outside. Cut it close away in the third. Morgan Glide kept away behind that trio in fourth. They're past the opening quarter, 29-3. It's a gap of 5 back to Shayna's Lucky Star, who trots in fifth. It's nearly 15 lengths back to Groton Party. Kabu is back trotting, but far behind the pack here as they trot towards the half. And Sorrento Hall on top here at odds of a 4-1, a 2-length lead. Up the backstretch from Samburu, trots in second. Cut it close, was a bit ranked there for a moment, but now Tyler Smith has him in gear to the outside third. Morgan Glide continues to save ground as they trot past the half in 60 seconds even. Shayna's Lucky Star was off stride up the backside, as was Morgan Glide. So we're down to a trio here as Sorrento Hall continues to show the way. Cut it close, continues to cut into the margin up on the outside. Samburu is just 2 lengths off the lead from along the pylons, and we're down to these 3 as Groton Party has made his way into fourth midway around the far turn. Sorrento Hall continues to lead the way. Cut it close, just sitting outside there in second, still a neck behind. Samburu is locked in behind those 2 past 3 quarters in 1:29-4. And Sorrento Hall on the chance turn for home with the lead. Cut it close out of the center of the track. Samburu now finds clearance for Tetrick as they hit mid-stretch. Sorrento Hall trying to dig in and fight off Samburu, but Samburu is charging up out of the center. Sorrento Hall still there, but it's Samburu. Samburu is going to score. Sorrento Hall was a game second, far back, and it looked like Cut It Close held third, but it was very close with Groton Party in 1:58-1.